Hi guys. So we have a lot of cases of COVID going on, but I have this love for the sea, and so I'm here. I'm at the sea today, is Sunday. So out of my hideout, out of my studio, and found some time to be at the sea. So yeah, today what are we talking about? So today we are talking about something very important. Recently, this talk, or let's just say this message, is inspired by a comment on YouTube. Somebody's comment, and this person is supposed to be in the spiritual community, what we call the soul group. But there are a lot of people that are, misleading also, as you know. So what this theme is about, what this topic is about, is the whole twin flame journey. Okay, so this person commented that he commented as though the twin flame journey doesn't end, like there is no reunion or something, and that is my topic today. Okay, so yes, a few years back there was a belief in the twin flame community that this relationship is not possible. It's not possible on the earth plane, it's not possible on the 3D plane. But hello, it doesn't happen on the 3D plane, okay? It happens on the 5D plane and 6D planes, okay? And 5D is not a fully physical plane, remember that, okay? It appears physical, but it is not fully physical, because when you're in 5D, as I have put some videos up, you can check, your light body is activated, your Merkaba is activated, so your skin, your body undergoes transformation. Okay, you can check some of those videos. So it is not the same kind of a physical that we are used to. It's not a 3D physical. In other words, it is not carbon based. It's more of crystalline based. Okay, so that is 5D. And in such timelines, only the reunion happens. Okay, only in those timelines. So, but the difference was, first planet Earth could only host 3D timelines and lower timelines. Okay, but right now the difference is that because of the work that the light workers have done, the grid workers have done over the years, let's say from 1940 onwards, okay, since the first wave of volunteers started coming, a lot of work has been done. So portals have been opened up for higher timelines and higher energies to pour into the planet. Okay, so what is happening is, now this planet is able to hold the higher timelines, 5D, 6D. I'm not sure up till what is the limit. Okay, but most of them talk about levels of 12th dimensional levels. Okay, so basically the original earth grid of Gaia is activated, okay, which we call the crystalline new earth grid of Gaia. The original Gaia grids have been activated. Okay, so for this reason, it is completely and totally possible for twin flames to reunite and be together in a physical marriage. Okay, now whether you want a marriage or you don't want a marriage, that is totally up to you. Okay, but a kind of relationship that your heart desires, okay, that relationship is totally possible, because again, remember, your decision and your desire will be the same as your masculine twin. So if you have something against marriage, he will also probably have. So basically I'm saying is, you all will agree on the decisions. Got it? You all will agree. If you want a marriage, he will also want a marriage. If you want a live-in relationship, he will also want the same thing. Okay, so you all will agree. But this kind of agreement happens only at the third eye level. And I will never get bored. I will never get bored of repeating third eye, third eye, third eye, third eye, third eye, because that is everything. In fact, without the third eye, this knowledge that I talk about, all these things that I talk about, wouldn't happen. Okay, and I still, my third eye is not balanced, it is activated, it is not balanced. Okay, so I have to come to a certain level of balance in my lower chakras in order to reach that fully activated, fully balanced level of my third eye. And I have been getting information when there are full moons, new moons, downloads come, I get my information. So I am guided for my next 2 3 steps ahead. I am guided. Okay. So uh, yeah, so this belief was floating around that the reunion doesn't happen. Okay, so I want to say that this is a completely false belief. This is a completely false belief, because if you are able to hold the balance of the third eye, okay, and not have this relationship through psychic cords, okay, then you're definitely able to have the physical reunion. And now we have seen so many people are actually reuniting with their twin flame. Okay, there are many famous couples that are in a reunion. Okay, and they have figured it out somehow. Okay, they have figured it out somehow and they are in reunion. Okay, some of them, a lot of them take coaching classes, and I also coach people. A lot of people come to me as well, and they find my insights very helpful. Okay, but I want to say that I am not at that perfected state. Okay, although I am very knowledgeable in this thing, I'm not at a perfected state, but I am at quite a mastery level to guide you. Okay, and my clients are very happy with the suggestions that they get, with the insights that they get. All right, so yeah, now it's completely possible. Why is it possible now? Okay, it is possible now because of the 5D matrix. Okay, now 5D matrix is a system of timelines. Okay, a system of creating timelines consciously, whereas 3D matrix is a system of creating timelines unconsciously. Okay, reunions are possible in the 5D matrix. Okay, there is a certain stage after where you where you have done significant work, and then you're connected into the 5D matrix. It is called Gaia activation. Gaia activation is when you are plugged into the 5D matrix and your Merkaba activates. Okay, and then from that process onwards, you begin to clear your karma. After the Gaia activation happens, you begin to clear your karma, your ancestral karma. Once that stage is over, then you have the soul merge. Okay, you have the twin flame soul merge, and you basically absorb all his karma and you become that single entity that you were before you were split apart at the astral level. Okay, so you become the single entity that happens after the soul merge, and then you have the physical reunion. All right, so there were lots of false beliefs floating around. Why, basically, why people had developed this? I've told you a few reasons already, but the most important reason, two reasons. Okay, one reason I've told you was that 3D and 5D, first only 3D timelines were available, now 5D timelines are available now. We've activated a 5D Gaia grid, the matrix. Okay, 5D matrix, the soul matrix, the original matrix of the planet Gaia. So that's the first reason. The second reason is, earlier in the 3D matrix, if you watch the movie The Matrix, okay, when Neo is connected through, like, there are pipes in his body that are literally sucking the life out of him, and he's in this ball of plasma, like, so that is the reality. Okay, that is exactly how it is. So in the 3D matrix, we were relating through codependency psychic cords. Okay, but in the 5D matrix, since we are not creating karmic imbalance, we are not relating through psychic cords. Okay, this push pull dynamics are not there. All right, so this is the second reason that we are not relating to psychic cords. As long as you're relating, and even if you try to relate with psychic cords with your twin, what your twin will do is he'll drain your energy and he'll immediately run away. This happens because of psychic cords. Okay, because you're not keeping the karmic balance with him. Okay, either the balance between your inner self, male, female, is off, or the balance between you and your twin relating, that is off, or you and the world, when you're relating with the world, that balance is off. Okay, so somewhere this will show finally who's going to mirror all this. Okay, the one that you love dearly, your other half. Okay, he's going to mirror it. and it is up to you wherever the balance is off, okay, to figure out where that balance is off. Okay, so psychic chords is the second most important reason. Now the third most important reason, very very important, note it down, is, okay, first I said it was matrix, 5D matrix, 3D matrix, and psychic chords. And the third most important reason is knowledge that was hidden. See, twin flame relationship, there are lots of people online that just say, twin flame relationship is very easy. Okay, people have simply made it complicated. Let me correct you. Twin flame relationship is a highly structured relationship. There is a structure to it, there are rules to it. Okay, it is not easy peasy. Okay, easy peasy you might be saying to attract clients, easy peasy you might be saying to remove the fear in people's hearts to pursuing it or whatever, but it is not easy. There are rules, man, there are rules. Okay, you cannot say that mathematics is easy if you are not the type who follows rules. Okay, there are rules, there are formulas. If you follow the formulas, it works. If you don't follow the formulas, it doesn't work, and it's not easy. There's a certain structure to it. Okay, there is a certain structure to it, there is a certain timing to it. It is an art in itself, it is like an art form, because you're learning to balance. Okay, it's a very complicated art form. Relationships are complex forms of art. Okay, because maintaining a relationship with your twin is an art form. Okay, so the knowledge was hidden. Okay, now imagine, say for example, there are 15 steps to the process. Okay, and you are just aware of 2 steps. Tell me, how well will you manage the relationship? You won't be able to. And even if you are getting downloads, unless you are highly psychic, you will not know, you'll not be able to recognize the downloads. It's not that we don't get the downloads, we get the downloads, but sometimes we just don't recognize them. Okay, we don't always recognize the downloads, right? So for this reason, this was the main reason, knowledge is hidden. Okay, if knowledge is hidden, then how are we going to navigate the relationship? We can't navigate the relationship if the knowledge is hidden. Yeah, you finally, yes, see, like in 2007, you can say 12-13 years back. Okay, I was completely unaware of this relationship navigation tools, whether it concerns a karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship or a twin flame relationship. I was completely unaware of the relationship navigation tools that I have figured out now. Some I have learned, some I have received my own downloads. Okay, so without the tools there is no progress. Okay, if the toolbox is stolen from you, is hidden from you, and you are expected to do a certain task, how will you do it? You can't do it. Okay, so what was happening is a state of fear and frustration. When does fear come? Fear comes when there is something unknown. Fear comes in the absence of light. And who is light? Light is a teacher, light is the guru. Okay, it can be an external guru, it can be your own internal guru tattva. Okay, so in the absence of that light, in the absence of that knowledge, in the absence of that guiding figure, you will feel fear, confusion and frustration. Okay, and there were very few twin flame teachers at that point. Okay, and this knowledge was like really hidden. It was secret. Okay, it was total secret, and even right now it's not totally out there. Okay, it is not totally out there. There is a portion of it that is still being downloaded. Okay, that is still being brought onto the planet. Okay, because this is higher dimensional stuff, this is higher dimensional structures. Okay, so it is still in process. The only difference is that for the last 4 years, a lot of information, a lot of downloads have been brought onto the planet which help people to navigate the relationship. Okay, and that is how people are getting success. Okay, only for the last 4 years, I would say, not even 5 years, 4 to 5 years. Okay, all this information has come, and still right now it is coming. Still right now it is coming because we see different types of twin flames. Okay, we see different types of twin flames, right? So it's not just one type. So this information is new. Then the a lot of information in the process is quite new. Okay, so all this information was not there on the planet first. Okay, so how would anyone expect to navigate this thing? Okay, this is not of the planet. Okay, there were very few secret societies that held this knowledge, a very few very advanced adepts who had the knowledge, who could channel this knowledge. Okay, and they used it, and that's how they were able to sustain their reunion, right? Okay, so it's 16 minutes, and I think I've covered enough points. The first reason why it's possible now to reunite physically with your twin flame is because now we are having 5D timelines and higher dimensional time. That's first reason. Second reason, now we are learning to come out of codependency, polarity, and learning to relate without psychic cords. That is the second reason. Third reason is the availability of the toolkit. Okay, the availability of the toolkit, the availability of the knowledge, okay, which is not there before. Third reason. Okay, and fourth reason, okay, I just had it in my mind. Let me give me a few seconds. So yes, the ascension plan. Okay, the ascension plan, the fourth reason is twin flames have to reunite in the physical to ground the 5D plane on the planet. That's the ascension plan. Okay, so these are the four reasons. Okay, I've told you the first three, and the last fourth one is twin flames have a certain mission, and that mission is to ground the 5D on the earth. So it is very, very important for them to reunite. The whole cosmos, not just the planet earth, is conspiring for them to reunite. Okay, you understand? So if the twin flames don't reunite, then there will be something weird, then there will be something strange, then there will be something like impossible. It will be impossible that this scenario happens where they don't reunite. You understand me? Okay, so a situation where they don't reunite, that is impossible, whereas the situation where they will reunite physically, that is inevitable, because everybody's level is rising to 5D. Okay, and you know about the certain critical mass. When that critical mass is reached, what happens is there's a upgrade, there's a complete shift in the entire collective, and everybody starts to function on the higher level automatically. Okay, so these are the four reasons why twin flames must unite in the physical, will unite in the physical, and to stop doubting the journey. It is not too good to be true, it is the norm now. Okay, it is the norm now. Doesn't mean you won't have struggles, doesn't mean you won't have to go through the process. You'll have to go through the process. Okay, but it is possible. The physical reunion is possible. So I'm signing off now because it has started to rain here in this beautiful place, and I have to run back home and get back to my schedule. Okay, so lots of love to all of you all. Please feel free to share in the comment section. I can, as much as I can, I will guide you. Okay, and like, subscribe. If you have any questions on relating with your twin, or any questions, if you are stuck in your life, I can offer you a higher perspective. I can detangle the energy that is stuck in your life, that is stuck in your mind. So I've given my number below. Okay, you can message me, WhatsApp me, and book a session with me. Okay, and benefit out of it. Okay, because it's really good always to talk out your issues with someone who's trusted. Okay, and someone who can listen without a judgmental nature. Okay, and someone with whom you can share something that is confidential. Okay, you can share your life's problems. Okay, so I offer this time out of my schedule for you all. So if you all feel guided, book a consultation with me, and please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so I'm signing off for now. Lots of love. Bye.